How to make friends in real life, not just online. Have you ever noticed how much easier it feels to talk to people online than it does in person? A lot of us feel that way, but real friendships don't just live on a screen. They grow from spending time together, face to face. So today, I'm going to share 3 simple tips to help you make friends in real life. Tip 1. Start small. Friendship doesn't have to begin with a long conversation. Sometimes it's just a smile, a quick hey, or a short comment about something around you. These small gestures are like planting seeds. They open the door for more connection. Tip 2. Join activities you enjoy. The easiest way to meet people is by showing up where they already gather. Clubs, classes, volunteering, or even a casual hobby group are all great places to start. When you're doing something you like, it's much easier to talk because you already have something in common. Tip 3. Keep showing up. Friendships build over time. Seeing the same people regularly, even if you only talk for a few minutes, creates familiarity and trust. Showing up consistently is what turns an acquaintance into a real friend. If you found this helpful, subscribe here for more quick tips on building confidence and connection. And if you want to take the next step, check out our free social superpower quiz. You'll find the link right below this video in the description.